Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here NEIGHBOUR system is given. You have alkene and tosylate and hydrogen which is on the bridge. So tosylate and alkene are trans to each other. You are doing the reaction with acetic acid. You have to find the final product. Here the answer lies in the neighboring group participation. The double bond can act as the neighboring group. So what really happened is the double bond can assist the OTS reaction. So double bonds share the electron, help the OTS to go out. The OTS is transposition, so perfect for that. So OTS leaves, you have final substitution ACO, the acetate. Here the neighboring group participation happened, hence OTS leaves and acid attacks in the same side. So you have retention in configuration, which is opposite to SN2 reaction because it is inversion reaction. So neighboring group participation occur with the retention in configuration. You can say it is a continuous SN2 reaction. 2SN2 equals retention in configuration. Here the concept you have to learn here is the double bond can act as a neighboring group and it should be on transposition for proper resistance. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.